I'm actually on my way to set right now, and I was literally just having a panic attack right now because of things have been really tough in my life recently, and oh my god, I don't want to cry. I don't want to cry. I'm gonna ruin my makeup, but I literally was just on the phone yesterday with Maggie saying, like, you know what, like, I'm gonna, like, right now I'm modeling for, you know, like, smaller companies, and I've modeled for, like, bigger companies too, but, like, not consistently. And right now I'm just, like, you know, doing e-commerce for, like, smaller brands and wholesale brands and, like, things like that. And of course, so grateful for that, but, like, of course I want to, you know, branch out to the teams that I want to work with, you know. And I just got a casting email right now in the middle of, like, a panic attack starting up, saying that people wants to cast me to model, and I literally cannot explain how overwhelmed with joy I feel, because I know I'm going to kill it when I go. I'm definitely going to kill it. It's gonna be amazing, and I don't know, I just want to cry. Like, I just, like, this was, like, truly, like, a sign because of, like, the things that I've been going through, and it's just, like, telling me, like, that focus, and, like, I'm really happy. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Today is what even is today? Today's July 30th, 2021, and this is a sign to follow my dreams and that everything's gonna be okay.
Tomorrow.
Good morning, guys. I didn't get to finish my vlog yesterday, but basically, so the team told me that I had to trim down my nails and they had to be nude, so I sent a picture over to them, and I was like, like, they're nude, but they also have, like, gems on them, and, like, also they're very long. You guys know I love my nails, like, super long. I'll just set you guys down for this. So I go to, like, a local nail spa because I couldn't go to my nail tech because she's, you know, like, she's based at home. She's, like, really far from me, and, like, all this stuff. So I wasn't going to ask her, like, hey, can you trim down my nails, because, like, you literally can't, like, you have to do, like, a whole new set or, like, completely remove them. So I went to my local a local nail spa that I've never been to. So I always notice that whenever I go to any, like, local nail spas, of course you're gonna get what you pay for, and you're also going to you're gonna get quick service. So of course it's not gonna be, you know, top service, whatever. I asked the nail salon if they could trim down my nails, and I was just like, oh, like, just about this much, and they're like, okay. And when I walk in there, I already feel like, oh no, like, I probably made a mistake, because, you know, I sit down and they grab, like, this utensil that I've never ever seen in my life, and I've been to several nail salons since I was, like, a little girl. I've never seen this device. Like, it was, like, a long machine, like, hooked up to, like, a long rope, and, like, it sounded like a chainsaw. Crazy. It looked like it shouldn't have been on my nails. Like, it could have cut off a finger if he, like, did the wrong move. But this is what I was left with, y'all. Alyssa, I'm so sorry. My nail tech's name is Alyssa, and I'm so sorry, girl. I am so sorry. I promise I'll take these off before we do our new set, but, like, they already had, like a tiny bit of growth. I've had them for, like, about a month-ish for my birthday. You guys might not think that this is terrible, but if you guys saw the shape that Alyssa gave me before this, I was just like, oh my gosh. You guys may say, oh, it's not that bad, but look. This side is, like, pointy, and this side is, like, rounded, and this is, like, for all of them, and they're, like, kind of, like, everywhere. I was like, okay, well, like, here you go, here's the payment, and they're like, you don't have cash? And I was like, no, sorry. And I actually felt bad because I was like, wait, like, no, I don't have cash, I'm sorry. And then they're like, oh, like, literally huffing and puffing. I was just like, oh my god, like, next time please have, like, a sign on your door to say, like, cash only, please. But then they're like, oh my gosh, no. And then they started talking, like, in their language to, like, their coworkers, and I was like, oh my gosh. So they're saying something to each other, and then I'm just kind of sitting there, like, and he's like, again, you don't have cash? And I said, no, I don't, I didn't bring any, I'm so sorry. And then he's like, oh, next time you need to bring cash. And he, like, starts, like, laughing it off because I guess he realized how aggressive he was being. Like, he was literally, like, raising his voice. I was like, okay. Like, it was just, like, me, the coworker, and him. So it was just awkward. The whole time I was just kind of like, And I know a lot of people would say something like about like shape and like how they do the service or whatever. I'm not that type of person. I feel bad, and I know that I'm paying for it, but I feel bad. But anyway, I get like too shy to even say anything. But you know what? I got what I paid for. It's fine. But besides that, y'all, I have on my eye bag, little pads, and I'm going like this because they're gonna be doing my hair and my makeup on set. So I'm gonna try to get some behind the scenes for you guys. I'm not sure if I could really show you guys very much, but we shall see. I'm just very tired right now, but let's go get some breakfast and then do our hair and makeup.
Later.
What's up, guys? So I just finished getting a tan. As you guys can see, my makeup looks crazy right now because I took it off, not all the way though, and today was really crazy. It was really fun. So I'm just going over to my car now. We're gonna do our night routine, and tomorrow I have an audition for a company, but I'm very excited. I can't talk about it yet, but you guys will see in a few.
Much later.
What's up, guys? I am on my way to my audition today. They emailed me about like under a week ago telling me to come in today. My stomach hurts right now. I didn't eat breakfast because I really couldn't. I would have like hurled it all up, but I am just so excited. I'm feeling blessed. I'm feeling so many emotions, like I could really cry, but I got this in the bag. I'm gonna make it, and it's just destined for me, so I'm very happy. My heart's pounding, so let's go. I'm a couple minutes early, which is good, so let's go do it. This is my makeup. Did something very light because they seem to like light makeup, especially for castings. And then I have a cute little dress. I always like to wear little dresses like this because it just like kind of shows your body, and it's very simple, sweet. I put on some rings, and that's really it, nothing really else. But let's go. I'm so excited.
The next morning.
Good morning, guys. I'm getting ready for a shoot tomorrow, and I'm very excited. I need to brush up my laminated brows. I actually just washed them. It's been a full 24 hours. If you guys get your eyebrows laminated and tinted, you guys know you do not touch them for a whole 24 hours, so it can really just like set. So I am now brushing them out, and I'm going to be adding my oil in a second, but it's like downstairs in my purse. This is what we do to like keep them hydrated. I got them done by my most favorite lash and brow tech ever. Her name is Lashed Up by Maria. I'll be putting her right here. You guys need to go check her out. I just like stabbed myself with my freaking brush. I have very light brows because I just have like light hairs. I have light hairs, but they're full-ish at the same time. I don't know if that makes any sense. So I like to get like a light tint. I always tell her like, just do it a little bit light, and she does this. It matches my hair perfectly. It's nothing overboard, and I think it looks freaking amazing. Like I don't even have to like do my brows really. They're just so clean, so sharp, so fluffy, yummy. Love them so much. So definitely go check her out. I'm obsessed. She's getting booked. She gets booked up so fast, guys. So literally, if you guys want an appointment, book now. Also tell her I sent you. She loves to hear that. But I'm gonna go ahead and go get a wax because I did buy like a package deal of like wax appointments, so I have to like go use them up. I think I bought like a package deal of probably like 12 of them, so for like the whole year. And I bought this like months back. So I have like such exciting stuff going on, y'all. Like I can't wait to let you guys know what's going on. But also my shirt is Billy. Are we surprised? I've noticed that all my pajamas are all Billy, but my appointment is at 10:45, and it is I'm going to be getting there at 10:40, so let's go. And I kind of really want some Starbucks, but I'm trying to like wean myself off of it, and I don't know. But afterwards I do want to go get a tan, so that's what we will be doing. Do we want to say hi to BB? Hello, BB Cakes. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Ouchie. Yesterday she bit my lip right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And for those of you worried that I got rid of Armani, he's right here. Don't mind the mess, y'all. Okay, guys, I just got here. My mask is so dirty. It has makeup all over in the inside. But I'm gonna look like such a huge Billy stan, which honestly, like, everyone knows I am. But like, my mask, my shirt, and I have the hiccups right now, and also I have a big thing of my extensions right here. On my car seat. So anybody that looks in here, hopefully they're not tempted to rob me. Going inside, let's go. I'm so thankful that this one is not gonna hurt as much because I barely have like any like tiny little stubble. Okay guys, just got back. I'm so glad that I got this over with. It really didn't take much time. It didn't hurt very much either, because if you guys get a Brazilian, you guys would know that like the middle part always hurts so bad. I don't know what it is about it. I have like a fuzz on my lip, but something about it always hurts really bad. I need to put the oil in my brows. I forgot to, but I really want to get Starbucks, guys. Like I like really badly want to get Starbucks, but I don't need it. Okay, and now I'm gonna go like around down-ish the street and we're gonna go get a tan.
The next morning.
Good morning, guys. We are going to another shoot today. Today is Saturday. I don't remember how many shoots I've had or like auditions I've had this week. Actually, I've had one like casting, and I have another casting on Monday, so I'll take you guys along with that too. But yeah, today like this was a very last minute shoot, but I'm gonna be shooting for this you know, up and coming designer brand, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be so good. We're shooting some bikinis, and yeah, so I'm very excited. I'm gonna see if I could get like some BTS, but if not, it's fine. I'll tell you guys how it went. But I'm currently in downtown, and I hate...
At the light, turn left onto South Figueroa Street.
All right.
Then the destination is on your left.
All right. I'm really bad at directions in downtown. Look at this. Everything is always construction and like chaoticness, so many cars. I came pretty early. We decided to do the shoot like at 10-11 because this is like the only time there's no traffic. Literally, like if you go anywhere besides 10-11 in the morning, you're gonna be stuck in some fat traffic, and then like you get another break like at 8 p.m. But yeah, I'm gonna go try to find this place, because then if not, I'm gonna get lost. And there's one-way streets everywhere, so one wrong turn and maybe I'm like 30 minutes backtracked.
Later.
Good morning, guys. I didn't get to update you guys on yesterday's shoot because it was just like go go go, but owner, designer, super nice, very nice. It was pretty quick. It was like an hour to we just shot outside. It was very casual, but I'm actually headed over to another shoot today. I'm not sure if I told you guys I had one today. I think I might have forgot a little bit, but I'm running like a couple minutes late. But I am headed over to go shoot for this like very luxury designer dress brand. I'm gonna be like reposting all these photos and like all my work and stuff on my Instagram story. If you guys want to go and check that out, definitely go follow me so you don't miss out on that. This brand, I believe, is called Angel Brink. A lot of celebrities wear these dresses and they're so pretty. So we're gonna be shooting for about 6 hours. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get any BTS, but if I can, I will. Let's go to this photo shoot and kill it, and then come back home and work out because I feel like I ate too much greasy stuff yesterday.
Next morning.
Good morning, guys. We are at my audition. Actually, we're on our way to my audition. I didn't get to update you guys yesterday, guys. I literally got so tired. Hold on, I'm getting McDonald's, don't judge me.
Bring my muffin meal with the bacon and vanilla iced coffee.
Yes, thank you.
You're
Hi. Thank you. I didn't get to update you guys yesterday. I know I keep saying that every single day. If you guys model, you guys know how it is. Like, you're on set for like 12 billion hours, and then you come home and then you're super tired, and then you forget everything that you have to do, but except your responsibilities, like take out your doggies. I have 2 puppies. Actually, I have 1 puppy and I have 1 2-year-old pupper. Had to take them out because you know, throughout the day, like, I do have a roommate, Cindy, my cousin, but I'm not gonna tell her like, hey, do this for me please, because she's like always going to work. She's like streaming, blah blah, but like she does like take them out sometimes. I can't always be putting like the responsibility on my roommate when I'm gone, so instead I don't know why I keep saying roommate when you guys know clearly that it's Cindy. Get myself a meal because I probably haven't eaten really all day, and then after that I have to, like, you know, take a shower, get ready for tomorrow, like, and most likely it being another audition or another photo shoot. Anyway, y'all, we got some McDonald's, and like I said, I'm on my way to a photo shoot right now, so it's probably not the best idea, but also I'm like really hungry because yesterday I didn't really eat that much. McDonald's has really bomb salsa. This is their Mexican style salsa, and it's not like spicy or anything, but it just like adds flavor to your meal. Got a hash brown, I got an Egg McMuffin meal, and if you guys know me, I only order the Egg McMuffin meal for breakfast, but instead of Canadian bacon, which is ham, I always ask them to put regular bacon. And obviously, oh my goodness, this lighting is terrible. And obviously I had to get myself an vanilla iced coffee, but it looks like they put 12 billion% cream. But we're on our way. It's actually like way past my mom's house. So actually yesterday I was gonna go visit them because my grandma made pozole, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I missed when my grandma made me tamales for my birthday. So I should come to go get pozole, but then by the time that I was offset yesterday, I wasn't really able to just like get up and go to my grandma's house because they're sleeping by then anyway. All right guys, I'm gonna get to my destination safe while I eat this delicious meal. And this time I will update you guys because today is just an audition, so it shouldn't take anything longer than an hour.
The next day.
Good morning guys, it's the next morning and I have now a break day. I've been going and going and going, having shoots every day. As you guys have seen, my place is a mess. I'm gonna try to clean it today, so don't even worry about that. I'm working on some videos because I know you guys are pissed at me at this point. So I'm just gonna spend my day editing videos. I'm gonna be filming a couple things. I need to take some content for Honey Bum. I'm out of breath. Also, I was walking Armani this morning and look how faded this shirt is. If you guys know, I got this shirt back like close to like when I had like super silver platinum hair when I went to go see Billy last. Oh my gosh, it's so long ago. Holy crap. I went to Starbucks. I was saying that I got faded. I don't know if I finished my thought. I don't know, ADHD things. I got a grilled cheese sandwich from Starbucks. They made it extra good today. I'm so happy about it. And then also I got myself a vanilla sweet cream cold brew from Starbucks. This is like my new drink. I don't add anything to it. Why am I out of breath? Come here, mamas. Come here. Come here, mamacita. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Oh, Mom Bun, are you jealous? Is my middle guy jealous? This little lady right here has been destroying my plant. So you guys know how there's like fake moss at the bottom of your plant? She has it spread all over the floor. I'm gonna show you guys right now. No, don't try to act all cute now. Look, the moss is stuck to your feet. Stuck to your little feet. You need a bath today, by the way. She's teething right now, so she has like literally everything scattered everywhere. This is the moss, and it's all missing all over the floor. Yep, you did that, and you know you did.